Hello friends and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. And I'm here making this tiny cute dinosaurs for today's video, and just embroidering his body with the long and short stitch, filling it up from the corner to the end corner. Bring out your needle and push on the another side. Make sure you bring all of the thread out, otherwise there will be a big lumps over behind, and also there will be a big wastage of your threads. So keep in mind that you pull it out very good enough. So here I am just completing the upper side also. And this is how half of it is done right now. And now I'm here finished with the green piece. Now starting for his stomach, I'm just making a chain stitch, make a loop, bring out the needle from inside the loop and just stretch it out. Now again make a loop and repeat the process. I'm gonna make this chain stitch like a real chain, a complete circular area for his circular stomach. Now starting another loop chain. Make sure your threads do not get entangled, otherwise it will be too hard to separate them out. And push it in. This way I'm finishing the second loop also. Similarly, repeating all the same process. Here I am, just finishing the area, filling it up all over here and push it inside. Now it's time for his horns, and for that I'm just making the simple satin stitch. I will repeat the same stitch for all of his horns. it's time for his wings, and let's fly out. So just covering all area. It's look nice. Now it's time for his eyes, so just filling up the eye circles with the black and a little eyebrows for him. Filled up his hands with the satin stitch again, and it's time for making a little mouth over there. Now our little dinosaur buddy is ready. It's time to make his stand, and that wooden stand I'm gonna make with some incorporated stitches. I'm not gonna make a really satin or really long short, but a mix of that. Thanks for watching it till here, and I really appreciate your time and support. Also, make sure you subscribe us. Also, make sure you subscribe my channel if you are enjoying this video right now. So completing the wooden base with the long short again. Just half of the area here above with this shade of brown, and half of the area below with again the same shade. Rest I will be completing with this darker shade. So here I am with my final piece, and we'll meet you in my next video.